So why you gonna do it like that? Why you gonna keep that thing from me?
Hello, welcome to this video. As you can tell from the title, I'm going to be doing a room tour. I completely forgot to film an intro, so that's what I'm doing right now. So I hope you enjoy. Follow me on any social media accounts. I'll leave them here and I'll leave them in the description. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so when you first walk into my room, this is what you see. My room isn't really big. It's just a medium-sized room, I guess. But the way that I have my furniture kind of gives me more space. I like that I have this open space here and it kind of gives me some walk room. I used to have my bed facing this way, so it used to be kind of tilted to the side, and which is why I have that mark on my wall. It's not dirty, it's just the mark from my headboard kind of like stained because it was painted. I'll go ahead and start on this side right next to my door and work my way around, I guess. I have my desk. Now the bottom of my desk is kind of messy, so we're just gonna kind of worry about the top part. Okay, so this is my desk. I don't know exactly where I got my desk from. I think a cousin maybe gave it to me, but this is my laptop. This is where I do all my work, and right next to that I have my Justina here. This is one of them. I have another one by my window, but underneath that I just have this Tupac book that my best friend gave me. Literally everything about Tupac, like all of his poems, all pictures, everything, journals, all in here, and I think that's like so dope. And then next to that, or next to my laptop on this side, I have a lamp that I think my mom brought in here one time when she spent the day in my room. I think I was not here or something, but she put a lamp in my room and I never took it out, so, and she never complained. So this I have on often on days like this when it's kind of gloomy. I have the lamp on, but for right now I'm just gonna keep it off. And then right next to my lamp I have my oil diffuser that I use constantly, but lately I've been trying to use it less because I think I'm running out of essential oil, and until I buy more I'm just gonna hold off a little bit. But I do use this as a night light because it kind of blinks different colors, and if you want you can go ahead and like switch the setting to where it's specifically one color. I know my nails are so horrible. I was experimenting with some things, so like don't mind my nails. But yeah, so I sleep with this on all the time. Right above my laptop I have this little sign here that says "The struggle is real." I got it from Target. It was on the clearance section, and I think it was on clearance because it doesn't work. I painted the letters because it was kind of hard to see. The letters were white, so I painted them like a goldy yellow to kind of stand out a little bit. So up here I have this shelf that I believe I got from the thrift store, and I painted this color. Right here I have this little succulent I might have got from Michael's. Actually, yeah, I think it was from Michael's. And then next to that I have one of my favorite candles. I actually purchased this from Kohl's, and I didn't think I would like it because it's like coconutty, and I'm not the biggest fan of coconut smell. I love the taste of coconut, but when it comes to the smell I'm like but I really love this. It's very fresh and it smells so good for the summer. Right next to that I have these shot glasses. The one on top is actually from my niece. She went to Vegas and brought me back a shot glass. And then this one is from a restaurant that me and my family go to when we go to trivia night. We won a round of shots. Here I'll just keep some SD cards. This is a one that I don't use often, but it's just there. And then next to that I have this little wicker basket thingy that I don't know where I got this from. This might be my sister's. But so starting on this side I keep all of my pens, my cards, my pen charger, all that stuff is normally there. And then next to that I'll have some journals, and then these are some books that I haven't read in a minute. This one I was reading I think about a year and a half ago, and it really helped me a lot. If you're an anxious person who kind of cares a lot about what people think about you, I highly recommend reading this book. And then this is Gabby Hanna's book, The Gabby Show. Shout out to you. I actually have this book signed, and I met her and took a picture with her, but that was years ago. But yeah, and then I have my journals here, and then right next to that I have a picture of my godfather and I, and then I keep all of my pens and stuff here for my actual writing and whatever here. Moving on from that is my bed. I got my bedding from Target, and then these two pillows here are from TJ Maxx, and then the pillow covers here are from another bedding set that I got from Target, and then these down here are just some that we had that just so happened to match my actual blanket. The headboard, I genuinely do not know where it's from. I've had this forever. Well, I haven't had it. My mom's had it forever. And then she finally got a new headboard, so she gave this one to me, and it's what I've been using. But yeah, and then I have some throw blankets at the foot of my bed because I actually don't sleep under this blanket. I sleep with throw blankets. I get hot very easily at night, but I also get really cold, so this is like the perfect in-between. When I sleep under thicker blankets, I get too hot, but this one is not all that thick. Like, it's very thin, as you could see, but still, like, the material of it can be hot. So I sleep with throw blankets. I normally sleep with like one on my body, and then if it's super duper cold, then I'll sleep with one at my feet. But those are there. Moving on from that, I have this little stand thing. I don't know what you would call this, but I have my TV on here. I once wanted to put my TV on the wall, but it's still here. And then I have my fan here because it gets really hot in my room. I don't have an AC in my room anymore. Last year I did, but I don't know what happened. This year I don't. So I use my fan and I just open the window. But down here I just have a mix of shoes. It kind of depends on the season, but I'll switch these out and there'll be different shoes. On top is mainly my go-to gym shoes, and then on the bottom is kind of just like a mix of shoes that I'm wearing. This part here is like my favorite area of my room. Down here I have this radiator, which like comes with the house. But above my radiator, this is where I keep all of my crystals, and by all of my crystals, I mean the only 3 that I have. I've been meaning to pick up some more. It's just I need to find some metaphysical stores in Chicago that have some decent quality crystals. But right here, I have this Buddha statue that I got from TJ Maxx. I believe it was like $15, so not bad, and I keep it right here by my crystals so I can keep that good energy all in one area. And then over here is some Palo Santo sticks that I burn whenever I want to cleanse my crystals or cleanse my room. I normally will use that, or I'll cleanse myself with that as well. And then right here I have some water for when I water my plants. So I like to keep this here because normally my plants are hanging in my window. Today they're not because there's not much sun out, but this is where I keep all the water for my plants, and then I'll just fill it up and leave it here. Okay, so moving to my window ledge, this looks so gross. I actually just finished burning this, but I normally will burn some incense here. I think my incense holder is from Five Below. And then for my lighters and all that, I keep them in this little candle holder thingy. And today I have my blinds open completely so I can get as much sun in my room as I can, because it's a very gloomy day today, so I like as much light to come into my room as possible. And whenever my plants need some light, I will go ahead and hang them on my blinds. Little hack, I don't know what you would call it, but I normally leave them there and they look so beautiful, and they get just the right amount of sunlight. As I said, these are dracaenas. I got these from Home Depot and they're very affordable and they're very easy to maintain and keep up. Also, they bring that good energy into the room, that fresh energy that you need. And my other dracaena, I just normally have it hanging from my curtain rod. And then right next to my window is this big old mirror that I got from Home Goods. I believe it was like $50 or so. I mean, $50, or go to IKEA and get the same exact mirror for $120. It's your choice. I highly advise that you go to Home Goods, but what do I know? You know what I mean? On my mirror, I have my pride flag, and then right here I have this picture of my best friend Tejan that he gave me. I just put it on my mirror. moving on. Okay, so this is my vanity area. This is where I get ready and I store all of my makeup. My actual vanity, like the tabletop and the drawers down here, I got from IKEA. All right, so right here I have a candle burning. This is from DW Homes. This is fresh cut gardenia. I love this smell so much. It's so fresh and airy for this summer. Here I have my Moody drawers that I've had forever. I've had these for literally forever. And then above that I have this mirror that I got from TJ Maxx. This is what I use to get ready and film my videos. I normally will sit this in front of me and use that. But next to that I have this wine bottle that my cousin actually gave to me. If you didn't know, I just turned 21 this year. So she gave me one of my first wine bottles, and I mean I drank it. It's empty. But I just took the label off and kept it because, you know, it's very special to me. Right here, this little wooden slab is from TJ Maxx, I believe. And on top of it, I just keep products that I'm using and that I've been loving recently. Aside from that, I have some makeup brushes that I keep in a little bowl here. Nothing too special. I don't really use these all that much, but I kind of just kept them for display because why not? As you can see, I don't store my makeup brushes outside anymore. I keep them in a drawer so they don't get dirty and they don't collect dust or bacteria or none of that. Next to all of this, I have this little, I don't know what you would call this, like a little shelving unit thingy. Here I just keep some setting spray. This is a watch of mine that I don't really wear often. It's a little too big for me, but I just keep it there for the look. And then here is a bowl of some spoolies, some tweezers, my face shaver, whatever, I don't know what you would call that. But next to that I have some perfume. And then moving down here is, and then on this little shelf here I keep more jewelry. This is my boyfriend's watch, but I keep it here because he left it. But these are some earrings that I switch back and forth that I've been really liking recently. And then this is just a watch of mine that I keep there. And then this is a necklace of mine from Vibe Season that broke. The end of it broke, so I'm a little upset about that. And I just keep it here until I figure out how to fix it. But down here I just keep some sunglasses from Diff. These are like the two that I really love, so I just keep them there. This is a little shelf thingy that I got from the thrift store, I believe, and I just painted it, of course. But here I keep some necklaces. These are both from my best friend Tejan. I think this one he gave to me, the little turtle one, and then the rosary he let me borrow, and I just don't know when I'm gonna give it back, but again, who knows. Anyways, so next to that I have some more necklaces, some watches, and then I keep almost all of my hoops right there. And for the top of this shelf, I like to keep it simple too. I just have this little fake plant thingy that I think I just made myself, and I just like stabbed little fake leaves into and called it a little succulent. But this is a perfume that is empty, but I love skulls, so I kept that. And then this is actually a little Eiffel Tower figurine that my mother-in-law gave me when she went to Paris, and she brought it back for me. This is a box of more earrings. I have a shit ton of earrings in there, but over here I just have some ColourPop lipsticks that I don't wear ever. Like, I completely forgot about them. They're kind of old, but I keep them up there anyways because they've been up there forever. So alright, so moving on to my drawers, I have majority of my makeup in here. I have my foundations, my highlighters, bronzers, primers, more foundation stuff, not foundation, more makeup stuff back there, and then I have some powders and some more stuff. And then my second drawer is where I keep all of my eyeshadow palettes, some highlighting palettes, lashes, mainly eye stuff like eye palettes and lashes are in here. And then the third drawer is where I keep my skincare stuff. So I have my makeup brushes actually in here. Then I keep my moisturizers in here, like serums and whatnot. I keep that all in here. And then down here is my hair drawer. It's a bit of a mess, but it's where I keep my hair stuff, hair products. And then down here is another messy drawer that I don't want to get into at all, so we're not. And then around my makeup area, I have these lights that I put up. I don't know when I put them up, but I put them up some time ago. I don't know, just to give this little corner something, because I think it's like so cute, and I don't know, I really like it. So, by the way, this chair here was thrifted. We painted it white, but as you can see, it needs to be painted again and kind of touched up. But then this is my school bag that I haven't used in a minute because of course I'm out of school. But down here is where I keep my ring light and my ring light products back there. I kind of store them away. They aren't messy, they're kind of just tucked in there. This is the door to my closet. If you watched my video of my niece picking my outfit, then you've seen the inside of my closet, but for right now I'm not going to show it because it's kind of messy. This is where I keep some jackets, sweaters. I have my gym bag right here, my everyday purse here, and then I have another purse here. But it kind of like, depending on the weather, because Chicago weather never makes sense. I have some light jackets, some jean jackets, some hoodies just in case, you know, it gets chilly in my house. But I keep all of that there. This is my door. Now I have my towel hanging on my door. Like this video if you do the same thing, or comment down below if you do the same thing. I don't know, where else am I gonna put it? So I just have it there. And then on my door I have this Pink Floyd poster, Wish You Were Here album, and then down here I have my Chance poster, coloring book, and I keep those there. And that's basically it for my room. Oh, by the way, my rug down here was also from TJ Maxx, just if anyone's wondering. From TJ Maxx. So that is it for my room tour. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Let me know if you liked videos like this and you like to see more videos like this. I might be moving soon, so I might get a new room soon. It really depends. But with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!